Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Statistics and Data Science. This is Rishikesh Kadam, and in this tutorial we are going to see how to use set index and reset index function of pandas library. That is how to change the index and how to reset it again. So we are going to see in this tutorial. First of all, we are going to import pandas library as a PD. So let's execute our command line. After that, we are going to import our data set. That is, here I've used iris data set, consists of 6 columns. The first is id column, all the sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, and spaces column. So after that, you can see this is our original data. So having this index 0 1 2 3 4. If you want to change the index of our data, let's say I want to change the index as ID. So for that I can use the function index underscore column. So for that you have to just pass a index underscore call argument inside this function pdn dot and read underscore csv. So inside that you have to just pass name of that column or a new indexed column. So let's execute our command line. You can see now our index will be changed. Now new index will be id, as I specify index underscore id equals to and index underscore call equals to id. So that's why now this is our new index. The id column become a new index column. So after that you can also use the another method. You have to just use this function dot underscore set underscore index function. Inside that you have to pass the new indexed column. That is, I have now index the data using id column. So for that I have to use id data dot set underscore index. Inside that new indexed column id, and I give here in place equals to true because I want changes. I want to save my changes. For that I have to just give in place equals to true. I want to save the changes in original data frame. So that's why I give in place equals to true. So let's execute our command line. This is our new data, and as I use in place equals to true, that's why these new changes are saved to our original data frame. That's why this is now our new data. So if you want your original data that is indexed with 0 1 2 3, that time you have to use reset index. That is for obtaining the original data. For that you have to use this reset index function. So data dot reset underscore index. Data is nothing but this data. Inside that I use drop equals to true. So let's execute our command line. Drop in the sense the original here index column is id, it is drop. So that's why I give here drop equals to true. When I give drop equals to false, then it is also in our data. So let's see. So you can see now id column is present in our data. When I set it equals to true, then it is dropped from our data. So let's execute our command line. You can see this is our index column 0 1 2 3 4, and the id column is removed from our data. That is basically it is index column in this data. And when we use this reset index function, inside that you have to use this argument drop equals to true or drop equals to false as per you want. So now I am going to specify, I am going to set a index as a string using this spaces column. So I am going to index my data using this spaces column. For that I use data dot set underscore index. Inside that I pass the new indexed column. So let's execute our command line. Now you can see now my index becomes spaces, and this is all the rows or data of iris. So you can see now my index is spaces. So if you want our original data, that then you have to just use data dot reset underscore index function. So let's execute our command line. Then you got your original data. If you want your original data, that time you have to use this reset underscore index function of pandas library. So this is your original data, and this is the new indexed data. So you can see, so this is the all about the set underscore index function or reset underscore index function of pandas library. So thank you all of you. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos.